about consolidating minority vote and dividing Hindus again along the caste lines.
I am coming to that, Padmaja.
Yes.
The Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, has said for the 2000 years we treated them like animals. So we deserve to face the same fate for another 200 years. Is Sri Ram trying to say that the Bhagavat is also has read only maximal version of history? So I think it's completely wrong. This whole exercise is basically about vote bank politics, about polarization by Prime Minister and the BJP and nothing else.
How is the Prime Minister polarizing? He is responding to what has been said over the last 12 days.
No, I'm only saying that he is just beyond the point. Has he read Periyar?
Okay.
Mr. Prime Minister has not read Periyar. He has no understanding of Tamil history. If he has read, then in 1923, his movement against Brahminism is quite obvious.
Okay, so again, we are not going to sit here and have a long historical lesson. The simple point was the political messaging that is being done right now. Sanju Verma, opening comments, and I want to get in the other guests also. Yes.
Thank you. Padmaja, let's be very clear that, the I.N. alliance, the fact that it is anti-Hindus, anti-Hinduism, anti-Sanatan Dharma, and I don't want to get into this narrative of Sanatan Dharma versus Hinduism, Jai Siha Ram versus Jai, Shri Ram. This is just imaginary. The fact is, Hindutva, Hinduism are interchangeable, Sanatan Dharma and Hinduism are interchangeable. Without wasting time on what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said or did not say, because that's not the debate, but since Ashutosh mentioned Baba Saheb Ambedkar, let me tell you, I have read the book, Pakistan or the Partition of India, where Baba Saheb Ambedkar clearly says, please Padmaja, please.
Okay, please, we are again derailing. We have discussed Pakistan and the creation of Pakistan, what he said about Muslims. Can we please stick to the topic?
Padmaja, I don't like it when you allowed Ashutosh a full-blown rant on what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said. I barely started speaking and you jumped in asking me not to say this or that. Please, I will take 10 seconds to just make the point on Baba Saheb and then come to what you're saying. But I cannot allow Ashutosh's...
it has already been rebutted by JVC Shriram. Can we please come back to the topic?
I'm coming to the topic, Padmaja. Don't, get so charged up. All I'm saying is, to Ashutosh, if you agree to what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said about Hindus, about casteism, you have to also agree with what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said when he said a true Indian cannot be a true Muslim and a true Muslim cannot be a true Indian, because Muslims believe in the concept of a Muslim corporation. The term used by Ambedkar was a Muslim corporation, and Ambedkar said hijab is the most hideous and regressive piece of clothing. But now coming to Sanatan Dharma, I think it is about politics. Because let me be very clear. Look at the narrative. In April 2020, when you had Uddhav Thackeray and Rahul Gandhi in alliance as part of the Maha Vikas or Maha Vinash Aghadi, what have you. Do you remember, Padmaja, that apart from Times Now and maybe some Ikka Dukka channel, nobody carried the story of how Palghar Sadhus in April 2020 were brutally lynched to death in front of a 300-strong mob, and the police were mute spectators. Who was the chief minister? Uddhav Thackeray. Again now in Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot of the Congress is the chief minister. You had in 2021 Babulal Vaishnav, a Hindu seer, being brutally murdered. In 2022, you had Vijay Das, another Hindu seer, being brutally murdered. Now, just last month, you had Sant Siyaram Das, another Hindu seer, being murdered in Rajasthan. My limited point is this. Why is it that Hindu seers and Jain seers are being murdered in broad daylight, and this happens disproportionately whenever the Congress or its alliance partners are in power?
Okay.
We have not seen that kind of brutalization of Hindu seers when BJP is in power. Have you forgotten?
Okay, Ashutosh wants to respond to this. So you are saying this is also a part of the plan. Divide Hindus and attack Hindus. Ashutosh.
I would have been happier if Sanju would have taken a name of one Dalit who was peed on. The tribals, the way Dalits are treated. He's only talking about upper caste. He's not talking about Dalits. He's not talking about OBCs. He's not talking about tribals. That's the politics of BJP. Why he has not taken the name that the tribal was peed on by somebody else? Did he? Why she did not take that name?
Who was Shabri? Today, when he spoke of Sanatan Dharma, he spoke of Shabri. He did not talk about कि ये श्री राम का सनातन है. He instead said कि ये शबरी का सनातन है. यह अहिल्या देवी होलकर का सनातन है.
Sanjeev Verma have not read Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar has said Hindutva is the most dangerous thing. It has to be stopped at any cost. Does Sanjeev Verma subscribe to that? That Hindutva is a dangerous concept. It's dangerous for the democracy and it should be stopped at any cost.
Okay, let's get the other